Hey guys, your coach once again, and in this video today I'll be sharing with you this amazing forex trading strategy that is going to help you. And guess what guys, this trading strategy doesn't require you to use any indicator or any other complicated way of trading. It's very simple guys. All you are required are just these 3 steps which I'm going to share with you. So guys, you can just subscribe and follow this page for more trading content so that you don't miss out some of the trading tips that I share on this channel. And guys, you can also join the WhatsApp group for trading signals and also trading tips and also tutorials when it comes to trading forex. Check in the video description and join the channel. All right guys, so let's jump into the video. So this trading strategy guys is very simple. Is beginner friendly. Whether you're a beginner or you're a struggling trader, you can still apply this trading strategy. So the first thing that you're going to look at, you're going to switch your chart to H4 time frame, and you are going to mark the high and the low of the candle of the H4 time frame of the beginning of the day, provided that your time zone, you are following the New York time zone. All right, so here is a sample guys. So I've marked the low of this candle, so I'm assuming that this candle is the beginning of the day. Are you seeing guys this candle here? So I've marked the lowest of this candle and also the high of that candle. Are you seeing? Then now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to M5 time frame. All right, M5 time frame guys, that's where I'm going to find my entries. All right, so let me switch to M5. So right there I've switched to M5, and as you can see, this is our zone. Are you seeing? So this is our zone. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait either the market to break to the downside or to break to the upside. So if the market breaks to the downside guys, what I'm going to look for, let me just show you. So if the market breaks this level, which is the PSR, if it breaks this level, so I'm going to wait the market to reverse to the inside. Then that's where I'm going to find my buy entry and set the stop loss just below the low of this point. And I'm going to double this. That will be my TP somewhere there. So guys, this is how you trade. So if it breaks to the upside, you're going to wait for the market to reverse to the inside. Then you find your sell entry and put your stop loss right there and ride with the market. So guys, this strategy is very simple. And let me just demonstrate what I'm trying to explain. Okay. So let's say this is the H4 candle, all right? You mark the low and the high. Then you switch to M5. Then M5, you are going to wait for the market to break either to the down or to the up. So let's say it breaks to the downside. You wait for the market to reverse into the zone. And you are going to find your buy entry right there and the stop loss just below. And you are going to double this. That will be your TP somewhere there. If it's going to break to the upside, then you wait for the market reverse, then you place your sell right there and you put your stop loss above and come down with the market. So guys, this trading strategy is very simple. I'm sure you can see it, and this one I've proven, I've tested it, and this is why I'm sharing it with the public. I believe this is going to help you guys. So in case you are interested also joining in the trading bootcamp, check the details in the video description and join the trading bootcamp. All right guys, I'll see you in the next video.